Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about semantic tags in HTML. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen how to validate our code, so it's like a very clear explanation. If you missed that tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to validate our code. And now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about semantic tags. So that means what are the tags, semantic tags are available, and everything we'll discuss in this tutorial. So before going to discuss, I want to say some of the tips regarding to design a website. Yes, so the most important step in web designing, that is design. So what you're going to write the code, so in before you need to have a clear picture and clear idea what you are going to design. Then only you can write the code, right? So actually you can see guys, I have a website which was my own website which was designed by me. I already explained in before tutorials like many times, like haripriyamannetech.com, like slash portfolio. So in this website actually I use it to design. I have a clear idea. I opened my book and pen and I used to design my website. In middle of this I have should be home, like services about, and I should get a button this side and it should be like image in this side, and I want these icons, and if I click this mouse I should get like this. So everything which was designed by me, and I am thinking, and I want like the photo, the picture image should be in middle, and the content and the everything should be this side, and I want these pictures, and I want like slideshows, so I want like ideas, and I need contact form, so I need like footer. So guys, if you observe these all things, I have like header, this one which is like home services, this can be called as header, and this is can be called as footer, and this is can be called as one section, this is called one section, and ideas is the one of the section, and testimonials is one of the session, and about me is one of the session. Like that I'm having different sections, and I used to design like this. So coming to semantic tags means, semantic tags also, if you want any content to display in website, so semantic tags are very useful guys. They are having like lot of semantic tags in HTML. So but in this tutorial I am going to discuss very important tags which is helpful to you. So other tags, I'll just give a brief. I'm not going to explain because it's take like 40 or 50 minutes. But the tutorial I want like 20 minutes or more than that's enough. So if you want more and more knowledge, I'll keep the links in description. Just follow that and learn something crazy. That's it, I can say that. First of all, I'll discuss header tag. So what is header tags and what is the use of header tags? By these header tags what we can do, everything I'll explain in this tutorial. So don't waste this time, just I'll close this one and I'll open, you all of us know I'm doing everything in desktop, and I'm opening Visual Studio Code. The question raises in your mind, what is meant by semantic? So semantic means what's the content to be displayed in website. So we can use by using the semantic tags. We are having like non-semantic tags also, so I'll explain in upcoming tutorial of course, but in this tutorial total about semantic tags. So just go to file and new file, so and just rename it as or otherwise you can save it as Control S, and already desktop in HTML format. I'm saving this as semantic tags. That's it, I'm saving as semantic tags and .html and just save. Of course, semantic tags .html. First of all, I already said I'll explain about I am copying and pasting this code which was done in before. So because it's like a syntax, you can see this is the general syntax of the code which was having. So what is meant by header tag? So we are having a tag which is called header tag. So header tag means, so what we are going to like navigational titles. So generally you can see this my website which has I am opening. Home, services, about, portfolio, everything was in header tag, right? So in header tag I am writing home, services, about and portfolios. Just like view page source code. So guys, this is the code which was written by me. You can see like this also, and otherwise, do you know that you can copy and paste in my code and you can develop your own website also? Do you know that? So it's like not what I can say, that not that much security. So you can, yes, of course. So yeah, I'm a front end developer. In before we are having like a the navigation link which was actually written in, of course, div tag. So you can see that header tag. So in header tag, I used to write this all the stuff which is there. Just I'll close and I'll show home, services, about and portfolio, contact and everything in header tag. So you can see the header tag was closed here. So that means what you are going to display in the header portion. So header tag was useful. So I'll just write the tag. I want to display in paragraph tag, that is like Haripriya. Saving control S, and I want to run this code in, of course you can see that I used to written in header tag. So guys, you can see that it was what I have prepared, like what I have printed, which is Haripriya Manne. You can see in output by using header tag. So you may confuse it that what is the difference between head tag and header tag. So head tag is totally different. It is like if you want like header portion. So here head portion means here you can see that. So welcome to my website. This is can be called as head portion. So if you want in this portion you want to display anything, so meta tags and title tags must be there in head portion. So in header was totally different. I think it's like a very clear about header tag and head tag. I think I given the clarity. And another semantic tag was available which is very important, which is called nav tag. So what is meant by nav tag? So nav tag is a section of the page that links other pages to path within the page. So guys, generally I'll show the nav tag which was there in my website. So you can see this, I think nav tag, I think you seen the nav tag here also. So home, services, about, was everything was in nav tag. That means I already explained the nav tag is the section that links other pages into a thing. So that is called nav tag. So just I'll copy and I'll paste it. I'll paste this one. So just observe the nav tag how it was working. So I'm not going to write that anyway. Of course we can write. So this is the nav tag. I'm removing this all the stuff. So these all classes I'm reviewing. What is class and everything I'll explain in upcoming tutorial. No need to worry about that. So what is UL? What is LI? These all are can call as a list, and in list what you can say that in list tutorial I'll explain about that, no need to worry. But nav tag is used for semantic tag, so that's why I'm giving very clarity. So just I'm control S and you can see this output, how you can see the nav tag was there. So it's like a link, the navigation link. So when I click anything you can see that nothing was happening because I didn't given anything. So here I didn't given anything. And another tag which was available, which is called section tag. Section tag is used to divide the sessions. Like what I can say that the best example, you can see this is my website which was designed. You can see these my services can be called as an one section, and this about me can be called as an another section, and my portfolio can be called as an another section, and you can see the testimonials can be called as an another section. So each and every can be the total page I divided into section by using the section tag, and you can observe the section tag also. I think I used everything, so you can see that the section tag. So yeah, so you can see this is I given that it's like a portfolio section. So I divided each and everything and I divided it as a section tag. So and another section which is like background drag, and I divided this one as a another section tag and I closed it here. So that's what I'm saying. So here and the, if you want like the website should be like parts, the section tag is very useful. So again just I'm writing something. So I'll use here the section tag. So guys, I think you can understand by seeing what I am explaining. So if you want like the colors of the background and anything by using the section tag, so you can use very clearly. So generally I'll use a heading which is like H1. So I'm writing that welcome to my YouTube channel. So just Control S and just reload and see that you can see that it was dividing into a section. I think this is one of the section. So this thing which is called one of the section, and you can write lot many things guys in before what I have written. Just I'm copying and pasting, so I don't want to waste the time. And just Control S, see this output. You can see these all the things which was in one section, and this is another different section. So that is called section tag. So this is also one of the semantic tag which is very important. And we are having another tag which is called footer tag. So what I have explained here, so this is called header. What I have explained, this is called header, and down it is called footer. So footer means if you want like you can see my address, my services, my links, my social media. If you want to follow me in social media, by these links you can follow, and all copyrights reserved by Haripriya Manne. So this is all the things I written in footer section. You guys, you can observe here the thing is in very white color. Here the coming to here, it's like a light dark white color. So you can see because I written everything in footer. So I'll show that code which was written in footer. You can see that here I written the footer tag. You can see the observe by using the footer tag. I written the code which is like footer. You can see that. Just I'll use footer tag and I'll write something. Just observe the things. So guys, don't forget what you're writing. Everything should be inside the body tag. So here also you can observe I written everything in inside the body tag. So that is the structure of HTML. I already explained. So if you have any doubt, just go on see before tutorials. And I'm pasting the things in description also, the links, no need to worry. Yeah, footer tag. So yes guys, if you want like actually I written like copyrights reserved by Haripriya Manne. So you want like that code, so you want to write the thing. So of course you can write by using these all the things by using copyright everything. The link was you can write in paragraph. You can see that you can observe the footer how it was working. You can observe the carefully. So just Control S. So no need to do these things, just Control S, and you can see that copyrights was reserved by Haripriya Manne. If I click that, my YouTube channel will be open. Of course, this is which was written by me. Just I with the footer tag only I written. You can see that header tag was written by this one, and footer tag. In this tutorial, I'm mainly concentrating on this header tag, nav tag, section tag, and footer tag. So that means, guys, why I am explaining this means, so if you are designing your own portfolio, you need to design first of all like this. You need to divide your total website into these sections. So that's why I'm doing this. So this is the main important semantic tags, and another tags also available like article tag, main tag, menu item, and coming to form elements we are having like color, data, and coming to graphic elements we are having like canvas, and media elements we are having source, video, track, and many semantic tags are available. So yeah, if you want more and more information on semantic tags, the link was available in description regarding that, and just open that and that blog maybe. So just learn something crazy. And I'll come with another tutorial which is like non-semantic tags. So what are the non-semantic tags are available, and what is the difference between semantic and non-semantic tags? Everything we'll discuss. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with a new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also